to tell you about my challenging journey to Germany during the war in my country.
Overnight, the lives of millions of people in Ukraine changed forever.
Russia's invasion of Ukraine.
The war in Ukraine. Russia has invaded Ukraine.
Ukraine under attack.
The Russian invasion into Ukraine.
As Russia launched a full-scale invasion on multiple fronts in the early hours of this morning.
My name is Valentina and I have been living in Germany for a year now. I came from Ukraine, where there has been a harsh war going on for more than a year. Russia invaded my country and the conflict has been ongoing and exhausting. With the start of the war, I was very scared and I decided to move to a safer place. On March 30, 2022, my journey to Germany began. With just one bag and my cat, I set out on the quest for safety and peace. I knew right away that I would go to Germany because I had constant connection there for work. The journey took 36 hours. It was tough and there is a lot of tell about it, maybe in the separate video. And here I am in Germany. I was very fortunate to find Germans who allowed us to live for about 1.5 months for just €70. There I got to know my neighbors, a very nice return family who later provide a lot of help. At that time I didn't know the German language and my new German acquaintances helped me with some words. I communicate with them in English, and that's when the initial difficulties began. The word termin, appointment, became the first word I learned. It means the date and time when you have an appointment with some organization, doctor or hairdresser. The process of getting documents took about 2 months, and during that time I had to look my own apartment. I'll talk about how to find your own apartment in Germany in a separate video. It's a long story. Within 3 months I was already living in my own apartment, received permission to attend German classes and work out a German employment contract with my connection. I am a programmer, I'm a web developer by profession. And from July 2022 I was working and attending German classes, German courses. It was challenging, to be honest, yeah. This is a brief story of my first step in Germany. I will share how I try to integrate into German society in the obstacles I face on this channel. The first conclusion I drew in the new society are to be open to new opportunities and changes. Because if you are not open to new things, it can be very difficult to deal with the changes that you will inevitably come across in the new country. Subscribe to my channel to follow my integration process. I will share all the changes I face on my journey. Thank you for watching me till the end. See you in the next video. Bye!